John McKeag here with Liberty Aid Academy, and you want to get the McKeag Mastery Bundle because you got to open up your trust and then learn how to use it, right? And so we teach you how to use it, and in this particular item, as soon as you open up the trust, and I mean as soon as you open it up, it automatically is non-reporting. Not only do you not pay taxes to the IRS, okay, but you never have to fill out a form. No reporting to the IRS. That's right. That's according to U.S. Code 26 U.S. Code. That's what they call the IRS code. It's the 26 chapter of the United States Code, and the squiggly line here, that's section 6033. Returns by exempt organizations. This trust is a 501c3 organization, has a 501c3 status, but it's a non-reporting status. It's so great. So you read it right here. Organizations are required to file, right? Except as provided in paragraph 3. So that's all organizations have to file, except if you're in this paragraph 3 area. That's it. Everyone has to file a form, except in 3. Exceptions for filing. Okay, mandatory exceptions. Oh, you get it automatically. You don't have to apply. It's mandatory. Churches, okay, I heard of that. They're integrated auxiliaries, more churches, okay. And conventions, that's not a church, or associated churches. So church, not a church, church. So what's a convention? A convention is an agreement between parties. That's right, parties. And how many parties are there in a trust? Well, the primary parties are trustor, also called a grantor more commonly, and trustee to beneficiaries. Well, guess what the great news is? You can be trustor, i.e. grantor, and trustee at the same time, and you don't have to name beneficiaries. So, according to Section 6033, a convention qualifies, and a trust is the only thing that is a convention that you can be two parties to, right? And so this trust is the trust that qualifies by following the code. Get the CAG Mastery Bundle. Never pay a penny to the IRS again. But even better, never have to fill out another IRS form for the rest of your life. Get the McKeag Mastery Bundle and get in the high cotton, right? Oh my God, it's amazing to be able to do this.